tan, right? So we want to find the inverse function of this function, right? So let's do that. Alright, so first thing is we're going to solve for x. So we're going to multiply both sides by this denominator, 1 plus 6 e to the x, right? So this is going to be, let's see, y times 1 would be y, and y times 6 e to the x would be 6y e to the x, right? So this is going to be equal to just e to the x, right? Then I'm gonna subtract y from both sides, so we can move y to the other side and subtract the e to the x, right? So you're gonna get 6y e to the x, and we're gonna have subtract e to the x, and then you have minus y on this side, right? Then I'm gonna factor out e to the x, so that you're gonna have 6y minus 1 e to the y, or e to the x, sorry, is equal to negative y, right? Then we can just divide through by quantity 6y minus 1 to get e to the x is equal to negative y over 6y minus 1, right? Then I would probably rewrite it as multiply top and bottom by negative 1 y over 1 minus 6y. Alright, then we take the natural log of both sides. Alright, then if you take the natural log of both sides, we get a natural log e to the x and a natural log of y over 1 minus 6y. Right? Then we can cancel out natural log and e because of the inverse property. So we have x equals natural log of y over 1 minus 6y. Right, then we can exchange x and y, so we're gonna get so x and y exchanged, so y is equal to natural log of x over 1 minus 6x, right? So this is going to be the inverse function. So it's a natural log of x over 1 minus 6x, right? So let's type it in, right? So it's going to be natural log of y over, actually, I don't remember, x over, right? X over, where is x? X over, right? 1 minus 6x, right? Oh, sorry, I'm not typing. Alright, so here, x over 1 minus 6x, alright? Then submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.